So today we will start our next method, that was roof by extrusion, right? So for that, let's go to our level 1 first. What I'm going to do now, I am deleting these things and creating some new room here, right? So go to wall. I'm creating very small object like this, right? After that, I'm creating one here as well, and one more at this point, like this, right? So the next type of roof we have, that is roof by extrusion. So roof by extrusion cannot be created in level 1 floor plan, right? It will ask me to switch to any of the elevation view. It can be north elevation, south elevation, or any other elevation, but it cannot be the floor plan, right? So if I click on this point, roof by extrusion, here it will ask you to pick a plane or pick a reference plane by name. If I click on name, I cannot see anything over here, right? So the next thing is pick a plane. So I need to pick a plane for creating a roof. So I'm choosing the second option, click OK. After that, I need to pick a plane. So let's suppose I am picking this plane that is perpendicular to my screen, right? So I have picked this plane. Now it will ask me to switch to any of the elevation view or any 3D view for creating this roof. So let's say I'm switching to north elevation. Click OK. So your north elevation view will open, right? So what is the problem here? Since I have deleted the walls, but my roof is not deleted. So I need to delete this roof as well, right? So let me delete these things. Okay, so let's go to level 1 again. Here we have roof by extrusion. First pick a plane, right? So let me pick this one. Let's go to any elevation view, that is north elevation. Okay, so here you can see all that 3 rooms, first, second, and third one. After that, you can create any type of geometry, right? So let's say I'm creating a geometry like this, right? Here I have created one geometry for this roof, right? After that, I want a curve at this particular place. For this particular room, I want this type of roof. Click here. And the last one setting, I am going for a flat type of roof. So you can go like this, right? I have created 3 different types of roof for these 3 things. After that, I will click on this finish button, right? It will give me an error that my this base sketch for roof is invalid, right? The problem is it should be connected, right? So first let me delete these 2 things. I am going with only the first part, and you can click on this finish button. It will create a roof at this point. You can switch to your 3D view and see it here, right? So here you need to create a simple line only, right? You can extrude that later as well, like this. You can drag it like this or this as well, right? If you want to connect these things, you can select all. Here we have, okay, select only these walls. So press Ctrl, select these wall, attach top base, and select this roof, right? So in this way, you can create a roof by extrusion here, right? Let's suppose you want to create any other roof over here. So for that thing, I'm switching already to my north elevation and go to this roof by extrusion, right? Pick a plane setting. I'm picking this as my plane. Okay. After that, let's suppose I want an arc over here. So I can create an arc like this. Go to finish button and switch to 3D view. And here you can see that roof, right? You can click this and drag it to cover whole of your thing, right? So in this way, you can create such type of roof, right? So let's suppose any other geometry you want to create. So here again, this roof by extrusion, right? Pick a plane. So let's say this is the plane. Okay, and here you can choose line. So let's suppose I want to create a different geometry like this. So you can create any geometry, right, like this, and close it here. After that you need to click on this finish button, right? It will create a similar type of roof. So go here and you can see that roof. So using this roof by extrusion method, you can create multiple types of different roofs, right? Like this. Clear? At the later stage, you can change this geometry as well. We have setting for edit profile as well. If you want to edit this profile, you need to go to your north elevation. Let's suppose you want to change this line. You can delete this and create a new line here, right? At a different slope, right? Same can be done to any other line as well. We can change its geometry like this. And at last, you need to click on this finish button, right? Go to your 3D and it will look like this.